Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself Nishal here and you're watching Techie Programmer. Today in this video we are going to discuss 9 to 10 internet tips that will make you pro in browsing any websites on Google. So let's get started with the tip number 1. To understand the tip number 1, let us consider an example wherein we are going to search the latest movie. If we just search it as latest movie, we will be getting the results of the recent release movies in 2020. So keeping this in mind, if we want to get the results for the movies in 2019, what we need to do is just add on, like we need to search it as latest movie minus 2020 plus 2019, and in this way we will eliminate the search for 2020 and I will get the exact results for 2019. Moving on to the tip number 2. If you want to get the result of the full exact phrase that you have typed, all you have to do is enclose it in double quotes. Let's consider an example. If you want to search something like Narendra Modi, then you just need to enclose it in the double quotes Narendra Modi and you will get the results to the exactly matching to your face. Moving on to the tip number 3. In this we are going to compare the keywords with and or. For example, if you want something like tea or coffee, then you will be getting the results of either tea or coffee, and if you go with tea and coffee, then you will be getting the results for both. Moving on to the tip number 4. If you want to search anything as a website, what you need to do is just type site colon and followed by the URL. Considering an example, let us search site colon twitter.com, and hence you will get the result for the sites that is similar to Twitter. Moving on to the tip number 5. If you are searching for any article on the internet, then the major thing that need to be focused is the title. So with the help of in title, you can search any article easily. Let's consider an example. Let's consider an article about artificial intelligence. So you need to just type in title colon artificial intelligence or any of your keywords. Moving on to the tip number 6. If you are browsing around and found some good websites and want to find a few more, then you can make use of something called related. Let's consider an example of related. You can just type it as related colon Amazon and you'll find the results for Amazon like websites. Moving on to the tip number 7. If you don't know the recent foreign exchange rate and want to convert your dollar count to rupees, then you can just type $100 in rupees and you'll get a calculator along with the current exchange rate. Moving on to the tip number 8. If you are just searching for a particular file, then you can do is just type the keyword and then type file type colon type the extension like ppt, doc, xls, pdf, etc. and you'll be getting the direct results for your search. Moving on to the tip number 9. If you are trying to find some URL, then you can use in URL colon then the keyword. Let us consider an example of in URL. Type in URL colon Nikola Tesla, you will find the results of all the URLs that include Nikola Tesla in it. Moving on to the tip number 10, the final tip. In this, if you want to find about particular thing from a particular website, then you can search it as link colon site and the keyword. Let's consider an example of searching results for Narendra Modi on Rediff. So what we can do is type link colon rediff.com space and Narendra Modi, and in this way you will get results for Narendra Modi from Rediff itself. We hope you have learned something today, and if you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next videos.